Galaxy Group of Science. Welcome back to Computer Studies, English Medium Standard 11th, Chapter number 1, Introduction to Multimedia. This is the 7th part of video lecture, and in this part we are going to study about usage of multimedia. Multimedia has become an integral part of our life. Multimedia finds its application in various areas, including advertisement, art, education, entertainment, engineering, medicine, mathematics, business, and scientific research. So we'll discuss one by one. First we have see the usage of multimedia in education and training. In the field of education, multimedia has a great impact. In past and even in many of the school, the education is given with the help of traditional methods like reading from textbook, blackboard, work, chart, etc. But nowadays, smartboard educational software has come in the market, which uses audiovisual to explain the topic. This method is much more better than the traditional one. We have been using presentation consisting of chart, table, and other object to import knowledge since a long time. But nowadays, the classroom education is not limited to the earlier conventional method. It needs audio and visual media. Multimedia is used to produce computer-based training course commonly known as CBT. Computer are used to create CBT, computer-based training course. A CBT lets the user go through a series of presentation, animation, text about a particular topic along with the example. Today, CBT means computer based training are used for almost all the age groups, right from kindergarten to postgraduate. For example, edutainment CD like nursery, rhymes, or learn computers. Education is an informal term used to describe combining education with entertainment, especially multimedia entertainment. Multimedia is used extensively in training program. Edutainment is equal to education plus entertainment. Multimedia is used extensively in training programs. Medical trainers and doctors can practice surgery method via simultaneous before the actual surgery. Mechanics can learn to repair the engines using multimedia, recording and broadcasting lectures. Using video conferencing, we can hear an expert speaker from a distant location. Demonstrating surgeries or other techniques that learners may not otherwise have the opportunity to see and later put them in practice. Next, advertisement. In the field of advertising, multimedia plays a vital role. Advertising is the main thing for promoting and selling a product in the market. Exciting animation, effect and slogan can make an advertise popular. This will lead to the promotion of product. We see on many advertisements today and some of them catches our attention and we ultimately end up buying that product. We see many advertisements today and some of them catch our attention and we ultimately end up buying the product. For example, Jujus and Pug Dog in Vodafone advertisement were used to promote the various plan and package of the company. This is another example of advertisement. Next is entertainment. Multimedia is heavily used in entertainment industry to develop special effect in animation and movies. Movies like Jurassic Park, Avatar will always be remembered for their special effect and animation. In olden days, even the richest person on the earth also did not have the entertainment which we are enjoying today. For example, internet, watching movies, listening to song, learning and practicing music, dance, playing digital games, using social networking site and so many more. Multimedia has played an important role in the entertainment we are getting today. Internet is useful to us to get information on one of the topic. Internet enables us to make the use of YouTube. On YouTube you get so many videos of your choice. For example, entertainment, you can watch movies, you can watch song, or you can get the latest news. Besides entertainment, for education, also in YouTube, you get the videos on various topics. Okay. During the lockdown period, also many of the students may be using YouTube to study, because here so many chapters of so many subjects are explained through audio visual. This is the logo of Star Maker app. This app enables you to sing song. It provides you karaoke. Besides, it also provides you the facilities of singing duet to people sitting in the different part of the different part of the world can sing the same song together. Due to multimedia nowadays, you are able to play these types of video games. Nowadays, you are able to use so many social networking sites. Just if we try to think, the lockdown period so long, if the social networking sites and internet was not there, then just try to think what would be our condition. How to pass so many days sitting in the house. Next, entertainment. Multimedia is heavily used in the entertainment industry to develop special effects in animation and video. Movies like Bahubali, Jurassic Park, Avatar, etc. will always be remembered for their special effect and animation. Multiplayer online games are also very popular today. Virtual gaming has become a reality today. Multimedia games are very popular among children, and a variety of these games are available either CD-ROMs or online. With availability of lots of gaming software programs for individuals or groups, a virtual gaming has become today. With usage of such a software, two players in different countries can play a game sitting on their computer. Here, there are two images in the right side image. We can see a lady sitting on a horse with wings, but really how the sea was shot we can see at the left hand side using the green color background. So these all things are possible with the software which are capable of the giving this type of special effect. See of the movie Jurassic Park. In this movie, with the usage of special effect, dinosaurs were picturized. Almost all of them may have seen the movie Bahubali. In this movie, we can see a lot of usage of multimedia and special effect softwares Next, Avatar was really a very nice movie, and in this movie, with the help of special effect, the aliens coming to our planet and those all things were beautiful is described. Nowadays, this type of video games are also coming in the market, in which you have to wear this type of thing on your face and then play the game. Gives a virtual reality. You feel as you are present inside that the game. You feel as you are present inside that the game. Next, journalism. In the field, journalism, multimedia and internet connection plays a very important role. We sitting at our home, we sitting inside our house can get the knowledge of what is happening around us and what is happening all over the world. These all questions, internet, these all due to internet connection and the multimedia facility. Today, we get all the news very fast through WhatsApp, online news channels, televisions and other medias. Now in WhatsApp may a time we get the fake news, but every time the news which we get through WhatsApp is not fake. There is many groups there in WhatsApp and therein only admin can post and they are run by the news channel. From where we can get the authentic news on the right hand side of the screen. Nowadays, e-newspaper and e-magazines are also available online where we can see the videos related to particular news also. And another benefits of these things, e-newspaper is that suppose an Indian who is staying USA wants to get the local news of India. Then we can open the e-newspaper and get all the news. Another benefits of e-magazine or e-newspaper is that here along with the news, videos also could be added in the printed form. Video cannot be added. Another thing is there is no limitation of space here in e-magazine. So, the number of images on the single news content also could be seen here. E-newspaper and e-magazines are also available online where we can see the videos related to particular news. Another benefits of e-magazine or e-newspaper is that here along the news video also could be added in the printed form. Video cannot be added. Another thing is that is no limitation of space here e-magazines. So the number of images on the single news content also could be seen here. Thank you.